Back in the Disney bubble, folks. Castle, Space Mountain right there. Check on Tron.
That just saw that was Space Mountain.
That's Space Mountain right there. Checking into the Contemporary we just got here. Headed to the pool. We did online check-in so we don't have to get in. Hi, Terry.
Hey Sean, let's head to the pool.
Hi, Caitlin. Lead the way. Oh yeah, I remember filming out here.
You do remember?
Yeah.
When I was
remember that.
Today, we were just too busy.
No, we had like a day, remember when we went resort hopping and...
Yeah. Nicer than Hampton?
Bay Lake Tower over here. Contemporary rooms. Hopefully we try to upgrade. Our original room is a garden view, which is these over here. So hopefully we get upgraded. They said we did. Hopefully we're upgraded to the original. That would be awesome. But happy no matter what we get. Oh, they got your place already, honey. There's a cabana. Hello everybody, this is Sean with Traveling with the Costas, and this video room tour is sponsored by All Dreams Travel. Hey, we just checked into room 4309 on Contemporary Disney World, Orlando, Florida. So I'm gonna give you a quick room turn. You first walk in the door. On your left is one closet, extra pillow and blanket. Got a luggage stand, plenty of hangers in this closet. Then next on your deal is the coffee bar with a couple of cabinets. Is this where, oh, that's where the fridge is. Nice bigger fridge. Got some more coffee pods down there. I'm liking it. The hair dryer and the safe and a couple drawers. Ironing board, hangers. And there's the iron. Got a big large screen TV. Little bar there for storage, a pull-out couch, and then a long slim mirror right there. Hi everybody. It's during COVID, so I got my mask around my ear. A lamp there. Let's go back over here to the first queen size bed. In between the beds you have a lamp, a telephone, a charging station. And then some extra storage space down here. And then we have a nice desk. Pull-out desk with the chair there. Little lamp. We got some more. We got some Ethernet. There's no USB charges here, but there are 4 plugs. See that a little bit better. And then we come back towards the door. On the left is the bathroom with a big sliding door. We have 2 sinks here. Lighted mirrors. Got the Disney H2O products. Oh, we've got the little ones. They haven't migrated to the pumps here yet. Got a full-size bathtub. The marble tile. Regular shower head there. Some hooks. And then the toilet room. You got a little extra space in there to change if you need to. Some towels right here on the little towel ladder. I like it. Okay, everybody. That's the room. Let's go look at our view. This is on the 7th floor. It looks like we're getting a little rain right now. We just got rained out by the pool. So on our balcony there's a couple chairs. There's one chair, then you got a little table. There's the other chair. And here's our view. View on the 7th floor from room 4309. Disney World, Florida, contemporary hotel. The original towers here. Loving it. Bay Lake Towers over there. Wilderness Lodge right there. See the skyline of Disney through here. Alright, we'll see you at the next rope drop.